Is it?
I can record.
Okay, hold on, my love. Ayan, marami ng tao ngayon.
See you upstairs.
Welcome to Valladolid, Mexico! Kumusta kayo dyan? Mga 18s at musikanatics. Ayan! Ito yung park and church. And then ito yung signage ng Valladolid. It's beautiful. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ayun, si Manong naglilinis siya. Okay. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung art ng pagkakagawa ng Valladolid. Tingnan nyo naman, oh, ang ganda-ganda. Oh, di ba? Ayan. Every letter, pinintahan niya. May pinta siya, sorry. Okay. The history of Valladolid. Ayan. Oh, yun, parang sa Pilipinas lang, 'di ba? Yung itong letter L. Itong mga sinotes naman tong letter D. Good morning. This is Musica World Music. And sa ating mga 18s at mga musikanatics, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat o magandang hapon man sa inyong lahat. Today is our day 4 in Valladolid, Mexico, and we just moved to the next hotel, which is owned by the friend of my husband. And the name of the hotel is Casa Quetzal, which is a walking distance to the church. Okay, maybe mga 2 minutes lang ang walking distance niya from Saint Catherine of Siena. And ito yon, casa means house. Okay, I just want to show you the place. So here is the entrance ng Casa Quetzal. This is a very lovely hotel. And yeah, you can hear the humming of the birds. And actually, ito yung reception area nila dito. Pag mag-check-in and check-out, Buenos dias.
Buenos dias,
Just
hola.
taking video.
Yeah.
So, pwede ka ditong mag-rest while waiting for your room. Okay, ayan. And they have this very interesting map. I think this is Mayan map. So, Campeche, Quintana Roo, Yucatan. You see how artistic it is. I'm really amazed. So that is Peninsula, Yucatan, and Gulf of Mexico. It's beautiful. The same thing here. You see, this is Cozumel, a certain place. Okay, Cozumel. I think Cozumel is near to Playa del Carmen. Okay, so this is yung nasa wall nila. And you see the plants. Oh my goodness, beautiful. See. Ayan, may mga palm trees sila dito. And as of now, noontime, you can hear the birds actually chirping. Oh, tingnan nyo. I hope you're enjoying. And this is a highly recommended hotel. And see, who loves nature? Everyone does, right? So, ayun. And sa hotel is included na yung breakfast. Actually, today morning we just had the breakfast, which is, for me, I just got the omelette and my husband got the chilaquiles. The chilaquiles is fabulous, out of this world. I've tasted chilaquiles in Mexican restaurant in Chicago, but this is the best, you know. So see how refreshing it is here. Kahit mainit siya, pero yung breeze ng hangin and yung lilim ng mga kahoy, you see this kahoy, oh, they give shade, and really it will make you feel like you're home. You see, dito may mga ano sila, mga paintings and another paintings. Yan. Parehas nung nasa kabila. Okay. Gulf de Mexico. And then here is the statue of Mama Mary of Guadalupe. They celebrate actually every December 12 sa feast niya. Okay. You see? And if you want, you can go to the pool here. It's beautiful. I'm just enjoying here. So we'll be here only for 2 days, and then we'll move to Merida. So this is another painting. Okay, ayan. I hope you're enjoying, really showing you the culture here in Mexico. Actually, ang sabi sa akin, Valladolid is inland, okay? So, pag may mga hurricane, ito yung puntahan ng mga taga Merida at from Tulum. Kasi walang dagat dito. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Yung mga baro nila parang baro din natin. See? Oh. Diba? Ayan, oh. See, diba? This is the history. Okay. Another one also. See, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. I don't know kung ano ito. This is interesting. Oh, this is the chaya leaves. At meron sila dito wood carved na mga animal, the parrot, jaguar. Ayan. And then here is yung kitchen nila. And meron ito. I just want to show you. Yan, nakalagay. This is very common sa mga Mexican houses na meron sila mga ganyan. And here we had our breakfast in the morning from 7 to 9. Okay. And this is their kitchen. Open to ng 24/7 if you want some hot coffee, water. Open sila dito. Ayan. Very beautiful. Kanina punong-puno ito kasi marami silang guests. Okay? And yan. And actually, meron silang spa din dito. And it's cheaper. Actually, 90 minutes for hot stone massage is 1,600 Mexican pesos. Siguro equivalent siya ng mga $80 to $90. But gosh, that is already 1.5 hour already. So nandun sa taas, the first right door, nandun yung spa. Okay. They offer Thai massage, deep tissue massage, hot stone massage. And dito, yung kasita namin. O, tingnan nyo naman, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman ang mga puno. Di ba, dito ka lang magmuni-muni. Ayan. See? Buenos dias! I'm just taking video. See? Ayan yung kasita namin. And then, pwede ka dyan maupo. And then, actually, may hamak sa loob, which is, very relaxing. Ah, see, tingnan mo yung punong yan, oh, di ba? Actually, yung papunta sa loob is dyan yung bahay ng may-ari nito, si Judith. Siya yung ina ng friend ah, ng asawa ko. Her name is Judith. She's 88 years old, but she's really smart and she's still sharp at her age. She walks properly. She does tai chi, and she she does books. May produce na siyang books. Actually, binigyan ng isang asawa ko and he's reading it. So, yeah, sinong hindi may in love sa ganitong area, di ba? And it's affordable. It's not that really expensive, and just to think of it, kasali na yung breakfast sa per day ninyo. Okay? I hope mga musikanatics, I hope mga 18s na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa pag-share ko sa inyo nitong Casa Quetzal. Marquesitas! Ang sarap niya. Pag pumunta kayo dito, try nyo itong Marquesitas. Okay. Bye! Hi mga musikanatics at 18s. Nandito tayo sa simbahan ng St. Catherine of Siena dito sa Valladolid, Mexico. It's Sunday. And then there's a mass at 12 noon. Yun ang i-attend namin ngayon. And I just want to show you the church. Pero it looks like there is quinceañera ngayon. I'll show you. It's a big thing here in Mexico sa mga babae na 15 years old. Para sa ating mga debutante pag 18. And for them, they call it quinceañera. Okay? See, nasa labas ako ng simbahan ng St. Catherine of Siena. Ayan. And then, mag-ready na. Napaka-busy ngayon. I don't know where is my husband now. I told him to wait for me. Pero I don't know where is he. And then, yeah. So, ayan, sobrang busy. I need to find here. I think I found him. Okay. Ito yung simbahan ng St. Catherine. Hi, my love.
Okay, there's going to be one at 12.
There will be Mass at 12.
It was the first communion.
Oh, this is the first communion? Oh, I thought it's quinceañera. So here, look at this place. Permiso. We need to be near to the phone, my love. Yes, that's why. Here. Okay. We'll be here. See the dresses. Napakaganda ng mga dresses nila.
Maybe this is for the first communion. You have to turn the band. See, this is for the because it's going to be first communion. Her name is Sylvia.
Yung mga magkukumunyon, nandito sila, may special chair sila. Ayan. And then ang family nila ay nandito sa gilid. Oh, ayan. So, 12 o'clock ang start ng misa for the first communion. Itong mga nandito. Ayan. Ayan sila. So we're lucky actually to attend this big event dito. And mag-attend kami ng mass. Okay? So I hope you enjoy and we'll update you soon. Bye-bye! Hi mga musika natin at 18s. I do apologize. I thought it is the quinceañera na meron sila today dito sa church, but when we asked inside dun sa nag-aayos dito, sabi nila ay this is the first communion. What do you call them in Spanish, Mela?
Primera Comunión.
Primera Comunión.
And the seats right there,
Okay.
the white ones, that's where the girls sit.
Okay.
And then the families there.
Yeah, let me just show you, okay? Hi mga musika natin and 18s. We are now in Merida, Mexico. Kumusta kayo? I hope nag-enjoy kayo. We just arrived actually 2 hours ago, mga around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And actually we are here in one of the restaurants here in Merida. And I just want to show you yung lugar, okay? And we're gonna have a dinner here with my hubby. So, sana magustuhan niyo itong area na ipapakita
muy
ko sa inyo,
sabroso.
okay? Okay.
This place is probably the most expensive places in Merida. But it's okay. My mahal deserves an elegant and a refined dinner. Plus, it's the closest place we had to come and eat.
Yeah.
So we're on the rooftop and we're splurging today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, probably in the mercado.
Okay, I just want to show you this one. You see, a monument. Okay, so maybe we'll come here on another day para makapagpa-picture dyan. Kasi kaninang siguro an hour ago, may mga nakita ko mga turista dyan na nagpapa-picture. Iko-cross mo lang yung yung area, and then actually makikita mo yung signage ng Merida, yung iba-ibang kulay. Ayun. Okay. So, yeah, naghanap actually kami ng makakainan. And then, ito lang yung nakita namin. So, we are actually here in the rooftop. Nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan nitong restaurant. But, yeah, maganda siya. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. It's past 6 in the afternoon. And, yan. I'll take more videos ng area. Okay.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body.